Okay, so this is the beginning of March, and this is a March blizzard, South Dakota. It's been doing this since about 2 o'clock this morning. It started out as thunder snow, and probably had about 8 inches at least, but you can't tell, it's all drifted into the trees. And we're under a blizzard warning until 6 p.m. tomorrow night, Tuesday. So right now it's Monday at 4 o'clock, and it's pretty much fully on. It would be hard to do anything out in this kind of weather. Like if you're in a vehicle and got stuck, it's probably not a good idea to be driving around. We got finished feeding early today, so I'm home early, enjoying the nice weather. It's probably 60-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Close to it. It's awesome. Orion's in the barn over there. I opened the door. He's hiding out inside the barn, so he's loving it. He'd be hating it if he was outside. I'm glad I got that open. It was all froze down, but I put salt on it. We had a good thaw last week, so I was able to get the door open. He's in there. And so there it is. That's a whiteout condition. Zero visibility. I guess 100-yard visibility, something like that. Not much. Anyway, that's it.